back to our channel and happy Monday. We're at CVS. We're doing all the super easy digital deals of the week and we have some good ones. We have some repeat ones. So the spend 25 and an $8 extra buck that we had last week, which actually I didn't even do a video last week. I'm so sorry guys. It was a really rough, bad week. I feel like this last pregnancy just keeps on giving and giving. The pregnancy was horrible. The baby has been, it's one thing or another. We're either going through a sleep regression or we're going through teething with him. It's one or the other. One ends and then the other one comes, and then like it's a non-ending cycle, guys. Like, I'm not joking with you. It's been exhausting. It has been exhausting. And like the pregnancy, if I talk about it, I will cry. You guys know I'm a crybaby. So I'm not gonna get into that, but just know that if I have weeks where I'm like, you know, I just can't make it to make a video, just know that I am struggling with that little guy at home, or just life in general. But most of the time it's him. He drains me. But anyways, so I didn't share a video last week, but I did share some breakdowns. I did the written scenarios, which I'm doing on Instagram and Facebook. So if you guys don't follow me on either one of those and you have either Instagram or Facebook, you guys can follow me there, because I will always share the written scenarios there, so you guys can see them with the picture, the breakdown, what coupons you're gonna use, all that good fun easy stuff. But yeah, so we have a repeat of the spend 25 or an $8 in extra bucks, and then a repeat on the deodorant deal. Don't worry guys, if you did it last week, you can still do it again this week, because it is a whole new week of deals, so it's not the same and you will earn the extra bucks again. So let's go into CVS, let's do all these super easy deals. And just remember, all you need is a CVS app, create an account. You are going to find the coupons under deals and rewards section. All the way at the bottom, the digital coupons are the ones that have the picture of the product. Super easy. If you don't have any extra bucks, you are going to pay a smaller out of pocket because you don't have the extra bucks, but then you're going to earn them at the end of your receipt, and then you can start using those extra bucks on all the couponing deals. You can start rolling them. So you use your extra bucks to pay for a deal, and then you earn them back for that deal that you're doing. So super easy, super newbie friendly deals we have going this week. Now let's go into the store and let me show you what we got. All right guys, starting off with my favorite deal of the week. This is such a good one. If you're seeing this, stop the video, just stop it. It's okay, just go to the CVS app and clip the BOGO coupon for the Love, Beauty, and Planet hair products. It is a BOGO buy one get one free coupon, digital coupon. Go and clip it now, because there is a high chance that CVS might pull this coupon. But if you have it clipped, there's a higher chance that it won't get pulled from your account. So go, and then come back and we'll jump into this breakdown, because it's super easy, super fun, super duper friendly. Okay, you clipped your digital coupon. Now we're gonna get 2 of these Love, Beauty, and Planet hair products. They are $8.69 here at my store. And this week, when we spend $15, we're gonna get $5 in extra bucks. Now, super easy breakdown. We're not gonna use a calculator. We're gonna be picking up 2 of these, and our total for 2 after our digital coupon is gonna be $8.69. That is what you're gonna pay if you don't have any extra bucks. But if you do have extra bucks, go ahead and use a $5 extra bucks, since that's what we're gonna get back, making it only $3.69 for 2, which is $1.84 each. Next, another super easy deal. We've seen this deal plenty of times before. The Suave is on sale 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get $2 back in extra bucks. So picking up 2 of these Suave Kids, which is usually what I like to grab during this promotion, you're gonna go ahead and pay $6 out of pocket if you don't have any extra bucks. But if you do have extra bucks, go ahead and use $2 to pay. It'll end up bringing your total down to $4 for the 2, which is $1 each. Next deal, we have the Garnier fructis on sale 2 for $8 this week, and it also has a promotion. When you spend $15, you are gonna get $5 in extra bucks. Now, I'm not gonna be doing this promotion here. I'm just gonna grab the Garnier fructis 2 for $8 because I think it is a great filler deal. I have a 10 off 70 CRT, so I'm gonna be using that CRT and throwing these Garnier in there with a whole bunch of other stuff. I have a $2 off 2 CRT, and we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon. Well, everyone has the 2 off 2 CRT because I think it was given to everyone. So we have the $2 off 2 CRT, the $3 digital coupon when you buy 2. That is going to save us $5. They're 2 for $8, making it only $3 for the 2 after our CRT and our digital coupon, making it only $1.50 each. We really do have quite a few hair deals this week. We're gonna wrap up the hair deals with this L'Oreal and Tresemme deal. I want to mention these because if you have a hair CRT that you can pair all the hair deals together, these are two other options. By themselves, I don't think they are the best deals out of pocket that we've had, but like I said, I'm going to mention it just in case you have a big CRT, so you have more deals to combine to use that big CRT. So starting off with the L'Oreal, we have buy two and get a $4 extra buck. These are $5.29 at my store. We have a $3 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app. So breaking it down, it is going to be $5.29 times 2 brings us to $10.58. We're going to subtract that $3 off 2 digital coupon, leaving us to pay $7.58. But if you have $4 in extra bucks, go ahead and use that to pay, since that's what we're getting back, making it $3.58 for the 2, which is $1.79 each. Next, we have the Tresemme. These are buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get $4 in extra bucks. So you can go ahead and grab any of these Tresemme. They are $7.59, and we have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon for these. So now breaking it down, it is $7.59 times 1.6, since they're buy one get one 40% off. It is gonna bring us to $12.14 for 2. Minus that $4 digital, that'll leave us to pay $8.14. We're then gonna get $4 back in extra bucks, making it $4.14 for the 2, which is $2.07 each. Next, we have a deal on the Gillette shaving cream. This week they are buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $3 extra buck. So we're gonna be picking up 2 of these Gillette foamy for $4.19. That's the price here at my store. Now our total for the 2 is gonna be $6.28. We are going to be breaking this one down, so it is going to be $4.19 times 1.5 and brings us to $6.28. That is what you're going to pay if you don't have any extra bucks. But if you have extra bucks, go ahead and roll a $3 extra buck, since that's what we're getting back, making it $3.28 for the 2, which is $1.64 each. Now, there is a digital coupon, a $1 off of 1 digital coupon. It says it excludes this one, but I just used it and it attached. So scan it in your app, see if it's attaching, and if it does attach, it is going to make it only $2.28 for the 2, which is $1.14 each. Next deal that we have is the exact same deal as last week, and I know I didn't share the breakdown, so I'm gonna go ahead and share it again this week. Hopefully you guys have the 4 off of 2 digital coupon for these, but if you used it last week, that's great, because it was a complete freebie deal for the Degree deodorants, the dry spray. This week it's not a freebie because I bought a rebate disappeared, and if you don't have the $4 off 2 digital coupon for the Degree, then you can submit your receipt over to coupons.com, and they have the $4 back when you buy 2 rebate. That'll go to your PayPal, and then you can transfer to your bank. So it's a win-win. You can still do this deal even if you did it last week, and even if you don't have the digital, because you can just submit your receipt at coupons.com. Now it's a little different this week. You don't have to mix and match between the Degree men and the Degree women, because we don't have the rebate this week. So if you want to grab 2 Degree women or 2 Degree men, or mix and match, you can do that. So this week they are buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get $4 in extra bucks. So now breaking this down, they are $7.79 here at my store. It is gonna be $7.79 times 1.5. That is gonna bring us to $11.68 for both. We're gonna use that $4 off 2 digital coupon, or if you're gonna get the rebate back, that'll bring us to $7.68 for both. We'll get $4 back in the extra bucks, making it $3.68 for 2, which is $1.84 each. We have another deodorant deal this week. It is going to be on the Axe body sprays. These are buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get $3 in extra bucks. We have a $3 off 2 digital coupon for these, and we also have a rebate on Fetch. When you buy 2, you're going to get 1,500 points back, which is equivalent to $1.50. So we're going to use the digital. We're going to get $3 back in extra bucks, and we are going to get our rebate back from Fetch. Now breaking it down, it is going to be $7.49 times 1.5. That is going to bring us to $11.23 for 2, minus that $3 digital we're going to be using. That'll leave us to pay $8.23. Now if you have $3 in extra bucks, you can go ahead and use that to pay, minus 3. Then we're going to get $1.50 back from Fetch, making it $3.73 for the 2, which is going to be $186 each. Next thing we have is going to be on the You Buy Kotex. Either you can get the tampons or the pads. I think the digital works for the tampons. If I'm wrong, then you can only get the pads. But these are on sale this week, 2 for $8. And when you buy 2, you're going to get $2 in extra bucks. So super easy. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon for these. You're going to pick up 2 boxes. Once the coupon applies, you'll be left to pay $7. You'll get $2 back in extra bucks, making it $5 for 2, which is $2.50 each. Now, if you want to submit your receipt to coupons.com, the app, we do have a $1 back rebate. So it will end up making it $4 for 2, which is $2 each. Now, this is a maybe because since we're using the $1 off 1 digital for 1 already, the coupons.com app might decline your $1 back for the second box. So I recommend buying the boxes separate, doing one on one receipt and then doing the other on another receipt, just to avoid any like complications. Next, we're going to be doing a pull-up deal. This week, when we spend $30 on select Huggies, Baby Johnson, Desitin, and Aveeno, we're going to get $10 back in extra bucks. We're going to be grabbing one of these pull-ups nighttime. They are 2 for $21. And we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon for this one. And we're going to be grabbing a pack of new leaves. We also have a $2 off 1 digital coupon for this one. Last item we're going to be grabbing is going to be an Aveeno baby because we are not at the $30 mark with our 2 pull-ups. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these. And online it's showing $9.79. And we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon for this one. Here we have our 3 items. Now breaking this down, it is going to be $21 for our pull-ups plus I think it's $9.79 for the Aveeno baby. That is going to bring us to $30.79. We are then going to subtract the $2 for the pull-ups nighttime, the $2 digital for the pull-ups new leaf, and the $2 off for the Aveeno baby. That is going to leave us to pay $24.79. That is what you're going to pay if you don't have any extra bucks. But if you have extra bucks, go ahead and use a $10 extra buck to pay, since that's what we're getting back. And that is going to bring us down to $14.79 for our 3 items, which is $4.93 each. Now for our last deal of the week, we're gonna grab some laundry items. It's a super easy deal. I absolutely love this deal. I hope this continues to be the new norm because this is the exact same deal that we had last week. When you spend $28 on select items, you are gonna get $8 back in extra bucks. We're gonna grab a Tide Pod for $12.99. And we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon for this one. And we're gonna be grabbing some Gain Flings also for $12.99. And we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon for this one. So here we have our 2 laundry products. Now breaking this down, it is going to be $12.99 times 2, brings us to $25.98. We're gonna subtract $6 in digital coupons since it's $3 off of 1 for each. That'll leave us to pay $19.98. We'll get $8 back in extra bucks, making it $11.98 for the 2, which is going to be $5.99 each. I hope my montage made it to the video. I recorded like myself walking through the store. Well, not myself, but like my POV of grabbing like all the items for my transaction. I went ahead and used a 10 off of 70 purchase CRT. And I ended up grabbing a couple of items. We did the laundry deal, we did the Garnier, we did the Suave kids deal, we did the Axe deal, the Gillette deal, and the Love and Beauty and Planet hair deal. So I combined, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I combined 6 deals to get to that $70 mark to be able to use that 10 off of 70 CRT. I rolled $22 in extra bucks, and then I got $21 back plus the $1.50 back from Fetch Rewards. So all in all, it was $19.18 for all my 12 items, and then we got all of our extra bucks back. We got the Fetch Reward rebate back, so I think it should be like 50 cents cheaper, but I'm not gonna stress myself over trying to subtract 50 cents from $19.18. All in all, it was a really good deal for everything. Like I said, we got the Tide Pods, we got the hair deals, the Gillette, the shaving cream. It's all stuff that we can definitely use. And all of my digitals applied perfectly. The Tide Pods, the Garnier, the Gain Fling, the Love Beauty and Planet, it did deduct $8.69, which is the value of one of these. Super great deal. Definitely recommend doing that. And then the Axe and the Gillette one. So the Gillette, the digital, the $1 off of one is attaching to this, making it a really good deal. We haven't had a good deal on these in a while. And yeah, guys, that is going to be all for this video. No complaints on my transaction. Love the deals that we had last week and this week. It was a really good week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, if you liked any of these deals, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can start saving together. If not, thanks for stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am always over on Instagram. You guys can always contact me there like right away. I normally tend to respond there instantly, even for messages, so just a heads up. I'm scared of YouTube comments. I've always wanted to tell you guys that and I always forget. But alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.